So let me give you a step-by-step tutorial on how I did these super cute nails. So I went ahead and used the gel polish nail kit that Model Ones was kind enough to send me. It came with so many cool things inside the package, and I was super excited to try them all. So here are the colors that came in the kit. They are all super cute and fun. This is what my nails looked like before. I went ahead and filed them off camera and just got all the excess shine off of them. So the next step is to go in with the primer. So I went ahead and put the primer on each one of my nails. Be careful not to tilt the bottle because it is a liquid that comes out very easily. So after I did that, I went ahead and added the base gel coat. After I applied a coat to each one of my nails, I went ahead and cured it under the UV lamp for 90 seconds, which I am obsessed with this lamp. And then I went ahead and chose the two colors that I would use. One is like a sparkly one, and then the other one is this hot pink. It went on super smooth and super easy. After I painted each one of my nails, I went ahead and cured it for 90 seconds, and then I went ahead and applied the top coat to my nails. This was a super easy formula to use. I've been doing gel polish for years now, and I'm really impressed with the quality of the gel polish and the whole kit in general. If you're new to gel polish or a semi-pro like me, definitely get you this kit.